Hey guys, Tony here. So this is going to be Open Road 4-wheel drive's extra large platform roof rack. So I've had this roof rack for a few months. I've just been so busy. As you can see, I'm redoing an RV here, but I finally was able to put this thing together after several modifications and realized that I was missing several different things to actually get this thing completely installed on the roof. First and foremost, when I finally put it together, I didn't realize that I had to have crossbars. So this Volvo didn't have the crossbars yet. I just had the roof rack, but not, or the side rails, excuse me, not the actual cross rails to make it a full-on roof rack. And now that I have the platform here, you can see that. So that's supposed to be all aluminum, and then, or reinforced aluminum, excuse me. And then we also have a T-slot system, which made it pretty easy to put together. And as you can see, pretty much all that was hand tightened. And it's a very, very durable roof rack. I've driven it at speeds like 80 miles an hour, maybe a little bit more. And I've had it on for about 300, 400 miles. And this is supposed to take 200 to 300 pounds of weight, of course, evenly distributed across the rack. And I actually have these clamps here, and it came with shorter clamps, but it was supposed to be for a lower roof rack. So one that was even with the side rails. I keep saying roof rack, but the crossbars. I was supposed to get crossbars that were even with the side rails here, but I didn't. And the cool thing was I was actually able to just kind of use common sense. And let me just put it this way. I don't have a lot of it, and I had to actually have my girlfriend help me put this part together, but I had smaller clamps. And I went to Lowe's, found some bigger ones. Now they are kind of in the roof a little bit, but I can fix that. And it hasn't actually damaged the roof at all, but this car has a rebuilt title as it is, so no big deal. And most, we're gonna make this in a kind of a rally car. This is an all-wheel drive Volvo XC90 07. So we're gonna suit this thing up, probably put a light bar somewhere over here. But anyways, so I got this extended roof rack, the crossbars, excuse me, from Amazon. I'll leave a link below to those. And then again, I got these clamps. They're about 26 bucks to get the bigger replacement ones with tax and everything here in Tennessee. And it got the job done. So if you want to go ahead and use ratchet straps and tie a mattress on there, you can do that. Or kayaks is probably what this is going to be mostly ideal for, having that flat top there. But you can put suitcases. If you want to put an actual travel carrier on there for even more storage, you can do that. But I mean, a pretty cool product here, again, because it's so easy to assemble. It's versatile. Most importantly, you do not have to drill in the roof at all. I did all of this, again, just hand tightening. The hardest thing was actually putting on these crossbars that weren't part of the roof rack itself. But I mean, a super clean product here. And it's ready to go. Like I said, all-wheel drive. We're gonna be able to take this up in the mountains back there, get her going, because that RV won't make it up there, but this will do it. So I want to thank Open Road 4-wheel drive again. I'll leave a link below to the product itself. And then if you do need an installation video, I have one on my other channel that I may or may not put up because it wasn't the best, but I'll definitely leave a link below to the one that I used to put this together because it was extremely helpful. A guy put this on I think it was a Jeep Grand Cherokee, one of the newer body style ones, and he was able to do it himself. So again, I'll leave a link below to both of those. And then I'll also leave a link if you all want to get the best price on this. But thank y'all again for watching. This is Tony, and I'll catch you on the next video.